Are your product photos holding your sales back? You've got a great product, but the images just don't look professional enough to stand out on marketplaces like Amazon or Shopify. I've been there, wasting hours on photo editing, only to end up with images that still look dull. But now, I've found an AI tool that changed everything. It's called SellerPic AI, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. To get started, open your browser and search for SellerPic AI. Make sure you click on the official website link. You'll land on a clean and simple homepage that says exactly what this platform does. It helps you create high-quality, high-converting product images instantly using AI. To start using the tools, click on the Login or Sign Up button at the top right corner. You can sign in using your Google account, connect directly with your Shopify store, or register using your email address. On your dashboard, you'll see multiple powerful tools. These include Virtual Try-On for accessories, Virtual Try-On for apparel, Lip Sync video, Swap Fashion Model, Image Retouching, Background Replacer. Each of these tools is designed to solve a specific problem that e-commerce sellers face when trying to present their products professionally. Let's dive into the most popular and powerful features. Virtual Try-On for accessories. If you sell sunglasses, jewelry, or shoes, this feature is for you. With SellerPic's Virtual Try-On for accessories, you can showcase your product on realistic AI models, no studio or photo shoot needed. Click on AI Model Image, then Virtual Try-On Accessories. Upload your product image from your device, cloud, or Shopify. Once uploaded, select your product category, like glasses, shoes, or jewelry, and choose the gender of the model. You'll get a wide selection of AI-generated models to choose from. Pick one that fits your brand, adjust the placement if needed, and click Generate. In seconds, SellerPic creates a professional lifestyle image with your product worn by a realistic model. You can preview the result, make edits, and download it in JPG or PNG format. It's ready to be used on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or social media. Once the image is generated, you can preview it on a high-resolution display. If you're not satisfied, you can go back and make adjustments. Virtual Try-On for apparel. Click on Virtual Try-On Apparel. Upload a picture of your shirt, dress, or outfit. I'm using a shirt for this example. Next, select what type of apparel it is. I'll pick top only. Then choose whether to use your own model or a library model. I'll go with the model library for now. Filter your selection by gender, region, age group, and style. For example, I'll choose a male adult model in a long-sleeve shirt. Then I'll also pick a simple white background. Once you've set your selections, adjust the fit, confirm it, and generate the image. Again, within a few seconds, you'll get a studio-quality image that looks perfect for your product listing. You can tweak the styling, try different backgrounds, or reselect the model. Once you're satisfied, simply download the image. It's ready to be used across your marketing channels. Lip Sync Video Tool. Create AI spokesperson for your product. Now here's something unique, the AI Lip Sync Video Tool. Instead of just product images, this tool helps you create an AI video where a model speaks your product message, synced perfectly with your voice or script. Click on AI Video Tool from the dashboard. First, upload the image you want to use. This could be a face photo or a model image of your product. Then, choose how you want to add the voice. You can upload a recorded voiceover, or just paste your product pitch text, and the AI will generate the voice for you using realistic speech synthesis. You can also choose the lip movement style and the speaker language or tone, for example, casual, confident, or professional. After customizing your video, click on Generate. Within a short time, SellerPic creates a talking AI model that presents your product in a human-like way. Chat to edit image. After generating your model images, you don't need to jump into Photoshop or use complex editing tools. SellerPic makes it easy to refine your visuals with a built-in chat to edit image feature. Right after your image is generated, you can make changes using simple conversational commands, like make the background white, brighten the image, or move the product slightly left. You'll also notice a dialog box right at the top of the SellerPic homepage. Just type in natural language requests, and the platform will intelligently apply your changes in seconds. This makes image customization incredibly fast, user-friendly, and accessible even if you have zero design skills. Turn your product image into a video. If you want to turn your generated image into a video for your social media, SellerPic can do that easily. Just go to the image to video section and upload the image you created. This is the image I made earlier using SellerPic, and now I'm going to turn it into a short video. Upload your image, and if you want, you can add a video prompt. This part is optional. In the video settings, choose either standard render or master render. I'll go with standard render for now. Next, select a preset model. There are plenty of built-in presets available. For this demo, I'm choosing the showcasing outfit preset. Then select the duration. 5 seconds works fine for this one. Now just click on generate, and SellerPic will automatically create a video from your product image, ready for use on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or your online store. SellerPic AI is truly an all-in-one platform for e-commerce visuals, from product photography to model renders and even AI spokesperson videos. Whether you're launching your first product or scaling a full brand, this tool will save you time, money, and effort. And yes, it's free to try. New users get 20 free credits just for signing up, no payment required. You'll find the link in the video description below. Use that to sign up and explore all the premium features with your free credits. Comment SellerPic AI. I will reply you the product link. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.